Fish and shellfish. Fish and shellfish are delicious and rich in collagen, particularly in their skin and shells. Fish skin, especially from fatty varieties like salmon, is packed with collagen, while shellfish, such as shrimp and crab, contain high levels of this vital protein in their shells. Incorporating these seafood options into your diet can significantly enhance skin hydration and elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Try recipes like grilled salmon with crispy skin to boost your collagen intake, allowing you to enjoy the collagen-rich skin while savoring the flavors. Another great option is a shrimp stir-fry, where you can use the shells to make a flavorful broth, extracting even more collagen. You can also whip up a seafood chowder with clams or crab, ensuring you benefit from the meat and shell's collagen. Enjoying fish and shellfish is a tasty way to support your skin health. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of nutrients that support collagen production, making them a valuable addition to your diet. They are rich in amino acids, particularly proline and glycine, essential for synthesizing collagen in the body. By including eggs in your meals, you can help improve skin texture and overall health, as these amino acids contribute to maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. To reap the collagen-boosting benefits of eggs, consider incorporating them into your daily meals in various ways. Start your day with a protein-packed omelet filled with vegetables, or enjoy a classic egg salad for lunch. Add hard-boiled eggs to salads or grain bowls for an extra nutrient boost. For a delicious snack, try deviled eggs seasoned with your favorite spices. With their versatility and health benefits, eggs are an easy and tasty way to enhance collagen intake. Berries. Thanks to their high antioxidant content, berries are delicious and play a significant role in collagen production. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids found in berries, help protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Specific berries like strawberries and blueberries are particularly beneficial. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, while blueberries contain potent antioxidants that support skin health. To enjoy the collagen-boosting benefits of berries, consider adding them to your morning smoothies for a refreshing start to the day. Blend a handful of strawberries and blueberries with yogurt or almond milk for a nutrient-packed drink. You can also incorporate berries into desserts, such as a berry parfait layered with granola and Greek yogurt, or bake them into healthy muffins. With their vibrant flavors and health benefits, berries are a delightful way to support your collagen production. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are essential for collagen synthesis due to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, as it helps stabilize the collagen molecule and promotes its formation in the body. Fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are particularly rich in this vital nutrient, making them excellent choices for supporting skin health and elasticity. To incorporate more citrus into your daily diet, start your morning with a refreshing glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, or add lemon slices to your water for a zesty twist. You can also enjoy grapefruit as a tangy breakfast option, or toss citrus segments into salads for a burst of flavor. For a delightful dessert, consider making a citrus salad with a mix of oranges and grapefruits drizzled with honey. Adding these vibrant fruits to your meals can boost collagen production while enjoying their delicious taste.